All right, guys, walking you through my pre-workout routine. So first of all, always have a blender bottle. I've got about 12 of these. These I've used for like the past 12 years. They're basically the only beverage holder I use. Then I have Kaged, um, Kaged Creatine HCI. That's my creatine of choice because there's no bloating or loading phase with it. I've been vegan for 15 or 16 years at this point, and vegans obviously need creatine, but pretty much everybody does. Everyone should be using creatine. Then I have Ghost Welch's Grape Legend pre-workout. This stuff is insane, but I just ran out. Good thing. Got another container. So what I do is I just do 2 scoops of that. God, this stuff, I almost said a naughty word. This stuff is so freaking good. There's kind of a vibe for it. Dude, if you haven't tried Welch's Ghost, you have to get it. So that's my pre-workout. So it's basically the 2 scoops of pre and the creatine. Mm. Dude, shit's a massive vibe. Oops.